and Infosys is concerned. Next, we have a question from Vijay. He says, hello ma'am, I had Coal India at the rate of 500. I again averaged it at around 420 odd levels. And what should I be doing now? Should I continue to add more? Well, Coal India also has got some favorable brokerage houses reports also again in trade with the expectation of the demand going forward on the power space particularly. 416 right now. Should one continue to average at the lower levels for somebody who's bought it at higher levels of 500 odd, or should one wait for a deeper correction? What is the sense that you'll give on Coal India?
So, actually, if we see technically, then stock is trading below its 200-day moving average. So that suggests that there could be medium-term underperformance in this counter. I understand today brokerage houses have given target of 500, but I think at higher levels, this stock is actually a sell on rise candidate. So I would advise to trim the losses by exiting the stock on the bounce, because even if you look at the rally in the market versus rally in Coal India, it's very shallow, not very aggressive. So that is negative. And on derivatives front, again, call writers are, not letting the stock move up. So I would advise not to add more, but actually try to exit on the bounce. You'll get lower levels. I feel stock may hit lower levels and may break 400 also. So lower
Okay.
level maybe in the offing.
Okay, sell on rise is the kind of suggestion for you on Coal India, because the stock could actually test for 100 levels as well, is what Aditya really says at this point in time. Let's take Neha's question now. Neha Jain writes in and asks you, Aditya, if you could suggest any stocks in the water treatment or water waste management area. She wants to bet big on this one. Anything that comes onto your radar, maybe technically or also fundamentally as well, something that you've been tracking in this water waste management space?
Actually, I'm not tracking this space very closely. If you could suggest me some names, I
So
could
any
take.
stocks like maybe a Vatek Wabag or an Antony Waste, these are the kind of stocks that are usually talked about in this space. Do you think these are good stocks to hold at this point in time?